Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Monica and today I'm going to share with you the results of my summer challenge. At the beginning of summer, I challenged myself to fill this sketchbook with watercolor sketchings, and by the end of summer. Well, summer finished last week and I haven't finished the sketchbook, but I'm going to share with you what I have created so far. Shall we? So that's it. That's what I have got so far. So what did I learn from this summer challenge? Well, besides improve my skills, I discovered that consistency and dedication really pays off. It's essential for us to push ourselves, explore new techniques, and especially when you really needed to learn brush strokes and different techniques with the water control. And so I think it's very important to push ourselves, but also don't be afraid to make mistakes, because we definitely going to make mistakes. I have made lots of mistakes on this little sketches here, but it was all for the sake of learning, for the sake of improving. So thanks so much for joining me on this sketchbook tour of my summer challenge. I hope it inspired you to pick up your own sketchbook and embark on your creative journey. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel because it is going to help me a lot. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Keep sketching and see you soon. Bye.